Alright, so I'm missing one of these legs on this thing, and when you go to put it down it always tips, so I hate that. So we're gonna make a little leg. I got a bigger piece of steel, so I don't think I need to make a foot, but I measured it. Right there, and I'm gonna cut it with this, which I love, so let's do that. I am a wicked big fan of these Milwaukee porta bands. I mean, not in all cases, but they kind of eliminate the need for a larger band saw for a lot of small work like this, which is pretty nice. The non-reciprocating makes it a nice smooth cut. Maybe not straight, but smooth. But for what we're using it for, this will work just fine. Again, I'm a big fan of these Milwaukee tools. I mean, really tools in general, but this 13 amp equivalent fuel grinder I'm going to clean this thing up with. And I have really good luck with these flap discs. I think they really work better than a grinding wheel for most respects, and they're a lot smoother. I tried lining up the steel with a magnet, but I was having a real hard time, so in the end I wound up just dropping the sander and using the weight of it to hold the steel in place. Yeah. I'm using the grinder. Yeah, so that's been bugging me. I'm going to spray paint that to keep it from rusting. I know it's terrible welding, but it's like farmer welding. It'll hold, and it'll keep this thing from tipping on one side, which is what I want. Thank you. All right, a quick coat of rust reformer, and that's ready to go. I might put another coat of black on it afterwards, but this whole thing's pretty shitty, so I'm just looking at Band-Aid. I don't know how much time I get out of this, but my life will be easier while I have it.